Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazipsa, my dear students. I hope you all are know. So, my dear students, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn exercise number 10A. Already we started the exercise number 10 in last lecture and we have done the question number 1. Which lecture we have done? We have done a question number 1. Okay, my dear. So, my dear students, we are going to learn today question number 2. Shape the minutes that have passed after 6. Okay, and then what we have to write? Write the time. Good my points, my dear students. What I am telling you, question number 2. Today we are going to learn a question number 2. Shape the minutes that have passed after 6. Write the time. We have to mention a time here. Good my points, my dear students. What I am telling you here, you all are understood. Okay, so first of all, before starting our sessions, let's check, my dear students, today's code, and then after we'll move on our question number 2. So let's check here today's code. So quote is what, my dear students? If you can dream it, you can do it. What means, my dear students? If you can dream it, you can do it. But my points, my dear students. So now we will move on further our session. So let's start our exercise number 10 and question number 2 dear. So now, my dear students, here we are going to start question number 2, exercise number 10A. Okay, question number 2, match the minutes that have passed after 6. Okay, what, my dear students? After past means already here is done 12:30. See here, sorry, 6:30, not a 12. After a past 6 means what, my dear students? 30. Okay, so 6:30 is already here is means a passed after 6, and we have to write the time here. Write the times. My points, my dear students. So here we will going to learn a next question. Tomorrow we are going to learn exercise number 10B. Okay, so now here where we reach, my dear students, on question number D, E, F. Okay, till to D we have done yesterday. Okay, only today 2 is left. So now again I write here the whole time. Okay, whole time. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. So now here we will start the first question number what? B, C, D, E and F. So I am writing here, my dear students, all things. Okay, so what is the time of B clock? So time of B clock is what, my dear students? 6:35. What, my dear students? 6:35. Understood all? Got my points? What I am telling you all? 6:35. Then after dear, next clock. See the first. What is the time of this clock? This clock and its time is 6:40. Okay, is a minute hand is on where? Minute hand is on where, my dear students? Minute hand is on 8, and 8 is shows 4040. So okay, and our hand is what? Between 6 and 7. Our hand is between 6 to 7. Okay, means time is what? 6:40. Got my points, my dear students? 6:40. Okay, so I am writing here 6:40. Got my points, my dear students? So I am writing here the 6:40. Okay, then after, my dear students, we will move on further D clock. Where? D clock. What is the time of D clock? First of all, we check here the hour hand. Okay, hour hand. So hour hand is between, means totally come on the 7. Okay, and 9. And a minute hand is on 9, and 9 shows 45. What, my dear students? 9 shows is 45 minutes. So now we will write the time of D clock. Okay, so 6:45. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all? Okay, 6:45. Then after, my dear students, E. Okay, then after E, what is the time of clock E? So it's time, first of all we check the minute hand, hour hand, and then after we will check the minute hand. So hour hand is on a 7. See here, my dear students, hour hand is on 7, and a minute hand is where? On 10. So 10 is shows how many minutes? 10 it shows 50 minutes, 50 minutes. Okay, so I am writing here 6:15. Got my points, my dear students? 6:15. Then after, my dear students, question number F. What is the time of the question number? What is the time of clock F? So totally our hand is on a 7. Okay, and minute hand is where? On 11. So 11 is what shows? 11 shows 55 minutes. So what should we write? Mention, my dear students, there. Okay, so we mentioned that 6:55 here. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so this is exercise number 10A. Students, I hope you all are understood. This is a question number 2. Which question, my dear students? This is a question number 2. Set the minutes that have passed after 6. Write the time. Question number A, B, C, D, E, F. We have done. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Note down this whole answers, my dear students. A, B, C, D, E, F. And if you have a rounder, if you have a scale, so try to make a clock and show a minute hand and hour hand, and then after you should write the time. If you are not going to draw a proper round, so if you take your mother's, your sister's bangle, otherwise the rounder, my dear students. Okay, otherwise you make the square type clock. Okay, no need to make only a round clock. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, again I repeat here for you, dear. 1 is shows 5 minutes, 10 is shows how many minutes? 1 is shows 5 minutes. Okay, I am writing here, my dear students, on my screen. My dear students, you note down with me what I am writing here. Okay, this is all important for us, dear. So 5. Okay, first of all is where it started. Okay, it started to 1 means what is a number? It shows we started to 1. Okay, so 1, but 1 is shows what? 1 is shows 5 minutes. Got my points? 1 is shows 5 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. Then after 2 is what shows, my dear students? 2 is shows how many minutes? 10 minutes. Okay, 2 is shows our 10 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? 2 is shows 10 minutes. Then after 3 is what shows? 3 is shows 15 minutes. 15 minutes, my dear students. Okay, understood all? As like that you have to write with me, my dear, in your book properly. 4 is equal to how many minutes? 10, 20, 20 minutes. Then now, my dear students, we will move on 5. Okay, 5 is what shows 5 shows 25 minutes. Okay, 5 is shows 25 minutes. How many minutes it shows? It shows 25 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? It shows 25 minutes. Okay, so my dear students, see here is 1 is equal to 5 minutes, 2 is equal to 10 minutes, 3 is equal to 15 minutes. As like that, my dear students. See, my dear students, this is a clock and it shows what my dear students, 1 to 12 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12. Okay, so it shows to 12 till 12 o'clock. Got my points, my dear students? So it's, see this, my dear student, 1 to 6, 1 is equal to 5 minutes, 2 is equal to 10 minutes. See here, this one shows 5. Okay, 2 shows 10, 3 shows 15, 4 shows 20, 5 shows 25, 6 shows 30. Okay, then after 30, it's coming is what, my dear students? 7. What is shows a 7? 7 and it's a 35 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. 8. Got my points, what I am telling you? Okay, so it's, and 8 is what shows? 8 is shows 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Got my points, all my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Then after, my dear students, 9. So 9 is shows how many minutes, my dear students? 9 is shows 45. Okay, 45 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? 45 minutes. Okay, then after, my dear students, 10. Then after, my dear students, 10, and 10 is what shows? 10 is shows how many minutes, my dear students? 15 minutes. Understood all? Here is 10 and 10 is shows 50 minutes. Then after the 11, my dear students, what? Then after the 11 is what shows, my dear students? 11 shows, 11 is equal to shows 15 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Then after the 12 is what shows? 12 is shows how many minutes, my dear students? 16 minutes. Okay, 12 1 to 12, it shows 16 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all of you? See, this is all format. You have to note down this. Okay, this matter is not in textbook, so you have to must be prepared, means you have to write. I'll show you. Here is one clock for you, my dear students. Okay, understood all what I am telling you? Okay, my dear, it's proper, so it shows so, my dear students, it's clock is shows what 6 o'clock. Time is shows 6 o'clock, and this is as agenda, my dear students. You have to prepare. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further, my dear students. We will move on further. So now let's check here further question number 3. So now, my dear students, we will move on the question number 3, exercise number 10a, question number 3. Okay, let's check here what is the question number 3. Do not shade, write the time. Okay, means here we have to write the only time. So one by one we have to do this all things. Understood all, my dear students, what I am telling you? Okay, first of all, here we will mention the 4. Okay, do not shade. Okay, we have a mention here. What, my dear students? We are going to mention a time here. Okay, first of all, first 3. I am taking here the first 3. So now here we will check. Okay, first clock. Okay, how many clock on this first clock on question number A? So first of all, what we have to check? We are going to check here hour hand. Hour hand is on between 3 and 4. What, my dear students? Between 3 and 4. Okay, and then after we are going to check the minute hand. The minute hand is on 8. Put my points, my dear students. Minute hand is on 8. So that's why, my dear students, 8 is what shows? 8 is shows 40. So what should we have mentioned here? Time is mentioned 3. What, my dear students? Here time is 3:40, 14. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you here? 3:40. Okay, then after, my dear students, we move on our question number 2, means question number B. So now first of all, we will going to check how many, means write the time. What is time in second clock in question number B? Okay, so we will going to check our hand first. So where is our hand? Our hand is on a 2. Okay, our hand is between, means not is properly on 2, but reached, and it's reached to on 2, near the 2. Okay, almost is on 2, but we can say other words, it's reaching on 2. And minute hand is on 10. And 10 is what shows, my dear students? 10 is shows 55, 0, 15. So what is time? 1:15. Got my points, my dear students? 1:15. Understood all? Why should we mention? It's not a 2 o'clock. If is in watch, it's 2 o'clock is done. So our hand is on properly on 2. Okay, and then after, and minute hand is near is on a 12 number. Okay, minute hand is on 12. Got my points, my dear students? That's why we are going to mention a 1:50. Then after, my dear students, question number C. Okay, what, my dear students? Then after we will move on to question number C. So what is the time of clock C? So here we will check the time. Okay, here we will going to check, my dear students. So now, my dear students, here we will check the time of C clock. Okay, so first of all we will check here the where is our hand. So our hand is on where? C, on 5, exactly on 5. Okay, between 4 and 5, and exactly on top of the 5. Okay, and then after, minute hand is on 11. It is 55. 11 shows what, my dear students? 11 shows 55. What my points, my dear students? Understood all of you what I am telling you here? So it's not a 4 o'clock and it's not a 5 o'clock. It's a 4:55. What, my dear students? 4:55. So time is what, my dear students? 4:55. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Understood all? What my points, my dear students? Okay, 4:55. Got my points? So now we will move on and we will move on quick question number D and E or F. Dear students, here we will start the question number D. Okay, What is the question number D? First of all, we check the our hand. Our hand is where? Our hand is on between a 12 or 1. What, my dear students? 12 or 1? 12 or 1 or exactly on 1? Actually exactly on 1 o'clock. Okay, one number. Then after we will going to check the our hand. Okay, how we identify, my dear students, is the minute hand and it's our hand. So minute hand is a long and our hand is a short. Okay, minute hand color is a difference and our hand color is different. Okay, here is our hand is color is red and minute hand is color is which color, my dear students? Blue color. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you all? So question number D is what, my dear students? Question number D, okay, is our hand is on 1 and minute hand is 4. What is a 4 shows? 4 is shows a 20 minutes. So time is what, my dears? Time is 1:20. Okay, 4 is shows 20. Got my points, my dear student? So time is what? 1:20. Got my points? 1 o'clock and 20 minutes. How we will write, my dear students? 1 o'clock and 20 minutes as like we are writing. Then after, my dear students, question number E. What is the time of the question number E? Okay, so we will check the first our hand. Means we are going to check a red color's hand. Okay, so red color hand is, see, this is here, my dear student. In between, our hand is in between 3 and 4. Okay, and then after we will going to check the minute hand. So minute hand is on a 6. Okay, so it's what time? 3:30. Okay, it's and 6 is what? Shows 6 shows 30 minutes. So now I am mentioned here, my dear students, 3:30. What time, my dear students? 3:30. Understood all? It is a question number, which question, my dear students? Question number E. Understood all? Put my points, what I am telling you here. Now last question number F. So here we will going to check the F clock. What, my dear students? Here we will going to check the F clock. Got my point, my dear students? So now let's check. Here is our hand and minute hand. So where is our hand? Our hand is on, actually is on 5. Got my point, my dear students? Sorry, 8, not a 5. So F clock is, our hand is on 8, not on 5. Okay, so our hand is on 8 and minute hand is on 2. So 8, 2 and 2 is what? Shows, my dear students, 2 is shows a 10. So time is what, my dear students? 8 o'clock and 10 minutes. Okay, 8 o'clock and 10 minutes, my dear students. Understood? Put my point. So here we have done a question number 3. Do not shade, write the time. Put my points, my dear students. Here we have done a question number 3. Do not shade, write the times. Got my points, my dear students. Now we will move on the question number 4. So we will move on the question number 4, my dear students. Okay, exercise number 10A, but question number, and here is what, my dear students? Here is the question number 4. Draw the arms of the clock to show the time. So what we have to do, my dear students? We have to draw the arms, means we have to draw the hands, our hand or minute's hands. Okay, my dear students, what we have to do? We have to going to draw what? We have to going to draw arms. Put my points, my dear students. Okay, given time we have to mention in clock. Put my points, my dear students. Understood all? My dear students, on clock number 1 means question number 1. What is the time, my dear students? On question number 1 is what, my dear students? 7:25. Okay, so 7:25. How we will mention, my dear students? We will going to mention a small. We will going to mention a small hand. Okay, our hand. Okay, by a green color and blue color okay, we mentioned by a, okay, and minute hand is mentioned by blue color. Okay, so which digit? Okay, here is 7 o'clock and 25 minutes. 7 o'clock and 25 minutes. So our hand is coming on a 7 and 25 means how many minutes, my dear students? 4 or 5? 5. Okay, 25 minutes means a 5 number. Okay, so now I am going to do here small hand. See, my dear students, our see here, my dear students, our hand means small hand is on 7, okay, and minute hand is on where? 25 means here, where? On 5, okay. Got my points, my dear students? Got my points, my dear students? It's a 7, it's a 7, 25. Got my points, my dear students? Here we have done 7, 25. Now we will move on further, my dear students. 255 means our hand is on 2 and 55 means is where? 11. So now I am going to do here, my dear students, for you. Okay, so here is what? 2, okay, and then after on 20 means not of 20, 55. Got my points, my dear students? 55 is which hand? Minute hand. Got my points? Now we will move on further. So this is a question number C and D. Okay, my dear students. So now here we have to put only the head. Okay, means we have to put only the arms. Its time is what? 1:50 means 1 o'clock and 15 minutes. Got my points, my dear students? So I am going to draw here overhand first. Overhand is where? Come on, obviously in a 2. Okay, it's coming on where? 2. Okay, and then after, my dear students, minute hand is where? Come, minute hand is come on 50. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Okay, and here it shows green color arms, it shows overhand, and blue color arm, it shows minute hand. Got my points, my dear students? Then after we will move on further, question number D. What is the question number D? Question number D is 11 o'clock and 10 minutes. So now I am going to draw the arm, our arms, where our arms I am going to draw here on 11. Okay, 11. Got my points, my dear students? It's a which hand, my dear students? It's our hand is on 11. Now we draw which hand on a blue colors. Okay, we are mention of blue colors. It shows that 10 shows 10 minutes shows 2 is equal to 10 minutes. Okay, my dear students, what? It's 11, 10. What my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, and now a last 2 question number 5 is what where you are doing a 1 hour ago. Okay, before a 1 hour ago, what you are doing, my dear students? So you have to write in your book. Okay, is your own self your answer. If you are now watching a lecture, okay, so before a lecture, what should you do? You are praying, otherwise you are do a namaz, otherwise you are playing. Okay, so you have to mention what you have been doing 2 hours from now. But my friends, after 2 hours, what you are doing? So you have to mention both question on yourself. Question number 5. Okay, put my points, my dear students. What I am telling you in today's homework, my dear students, I'll give you here today's homework. Okay, today's homework is what, my dear students? I am writing here homework. Okay, dear, homework. You have to mention, you have to write here a homework. What my points, my dear students? You have to write the homework in your book. So now today's homework is what? Exercise number 10, which 10A. Okay, 10A question number. So this is today's homework, my dear students. Understood? Note down this homework, my dear students. And thank you so much, my dear students, for watching for this video. Thank you all. I hope you all are understood. Thank you all.